comfy, they're not even moving. Yeah, they're not even moving, are they? They're just sweet and relaxed. That'll do, babe. Oh, now you're fine. You're fine. Lie down. Yeah, you're fine. Lie down. Over there. Yeah, lie down over there. No, back. That'll do. That'll do. Back up. Come on. Back up. Can you get at the back of the picture? Don't lie on anybody. There you are. Bring your head over here, dummy. Eh? Bring your head over here. There you are. Okay. That's okay. Yeah. You can tell her off. This is Sister BJ, who's not supposed to be here. This is what you get. Stay. This is what you get. Right there. That's a now skate pup right there. That's BJ. And this is how she started out. Just this big. Just this big. And I'm going to tell her off. I'm going to warn her off. They're all having a good sex. Some sound asleep there. We've got pup one, female one. Can't quite see. No, that's two. BJ just a little bit too close. She wants her to back off. But you know BJ's allowed in the house. There's kind of a fine line here between what she's allowing and what she's not allowing. There's all the pups enjoying lunch. So for number two, who's so full, she's sound asleep. And very happy. Toasty worm when they're out in their bed outside. There's lots of good milk in them. I think they've doubled in size since the last time. I'll have to look at their weights again and match them. This is Mom now. This is Big Sister BJ. And that's all the lower critters. You a good girl? You a good girl? Yes, you are, aren't you? Yeah. You say hello. I'm a good girl. My name is Mel. I'm a pretty puppy. And I love them dearly till they're about 5 weeks of age, and then I don't want anything to do with them. Once they get their eyes open and are running out of the kennel by themselves, they're about 3.5, 4 weeks. Then she allows BJ to play with them, and BJ loves playing with the pups, and she's very good, she's very gentle. She'll take a toy and let them hang on, and she'll gently take it around, take them and play with it. And even the cat helps. The cat takes them around and shows them how to catch mice and stuff, which is, I don't know if that's good or bad, but she quite enjoys the puppies too. She's used to looking after them. She's quite bonded to the dogs. Last pup that was here for a while, she was taking him around, and the pup was following the cat around for the day. It was quite comical to watch up here. She was taking a walk, looking for the wrong body. She feels the heat, but she's going the wrong way. She's going to BJ instead of Mom. You see how well they're traveling. gave her enough message that BJ left. And there you are. Now it's time for them to go back out. I hope you have a good Sunday.